In front of me is Allview X4 Soul Style, and let me show you how to use some of the secret codes on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, because here we will be entering the codes, and let me start with the first one. It is *##, *4636, ###. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode, and here you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So let me start with the first one, and here you can check email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and so on. You can also run a ping test here. To perform this operation, just click on Run Ping Test, and as you can see below, you've got the results. So this is it. This will be all for this one. Then under user statistics, you can check the detailed information about your applications. So for example, if you are curious about your usage time, for example, of the ringtone, here it is, or the settings, then you can check it. Or maybe you want to take a look at last time used. Here you've got the particular hour. So this is it. Let me go back. And the last option here is Wi-Fi information. So just click on it. And here you will find Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Under APA, you can check disable networks, disconnected networks, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole detailed connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got all currently configured networks. And under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can check the current status of your network. This mode also allows you to perform a ping test. To do it, just click Run Ping Test, and here you've got the results. So this is it. That will be all for this first code. It's phone information performed by Google. And let's go to the second one. It's super short, and it is *#06#. And as you can see right here, you've got both email numbers assigned to your device, to your Soul Style. Tap on OK. And now we will open the calendar info. So all you have to do is to enter *##, *##, 225, ***. And as you can see here, you will be able to find all data included in your calendar. So you've got holidays, celebrations, important dates. Just enter this code and do not forget about any upcoming event. And let me go back. And now let me open debug info. So just enter *##, 426, ***. And as you can see here, we've got the diagnostic mode in which you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to activate advanced view, just tap on more icon and mark advanced view. As you can see here, you've got further details. So I will go back, and it's time for the last code. It is *##, 759, ***. And as you can see here, you've got the debug menu, and you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation events sent, and so on. You can also check ping events, client IDs. You can check the OEM mode. You can switch it off and on. It's up to you. And this is it. So that will be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Allview X4. Enjoy, use them as often as you need to, as you want to. And so, I don't know, it's all, I think. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.